Hello there, what is up? Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. Today I have the ears on. You clicked on the thumbnail. You already know it's going to be a Disney themed subscription box unboxing. And today we have, okay, so I don't know why I always bring it up to this or make this my thumbnail, because on this side you have the actual logo. We have Magical Pick Me Up. Now, Magical Pick Me Up is a monthly Disney themed subscription box. This box is customizable and is shipped all over the world. Magical Pick Me Up comes all the way from Hong Kong Disneyland. Magical Pick Me Up also does offer two tiers, their mini magical box and then their magical box. And I am going to be unboxing the magical box with you today. I will be leaving Magical Pick Me Up's website in the description down below so you can check it out for yourself after today's video, as well as my first Magical Pick Me Up unboxing that I did last month. So let's open up and see what's inside. Oh, these are some crazy cute ears. So I'm gonna swap them out. I mean, wait until you see them. They have a plush on them. They have a mini plush sitting up top the ears. These are beautiful. So Hong Kong Disneyland is, I think they're currently celebrating their 15th anniversary. I know that here in the States, Disney sort of does the like year-long, sometimes 2-year-long, kind of like celebration of a big celebration, or their birthday of the park or the anniversary of a park or something like that. I'm assuming they do that in the other parks as well around the world. So these are Hong Kong Disneyland Celebrate 15. And so we have Minnie in her celebration dress. And here it says, "Where magic happens." Oh, I like these. They're plush velvet feeling. I'm gonna have to really sink down so that you can see the Minnie. Oh my goodness. How cute are these? I feel slightly ridiculous that I have a Minnie plush on my head, but I also just love it so very much. So let's go on to the other items in the box. So unfortunately, Minnie will be cut off for the rest of this. Sorry, so that was the first thing that, I don't know if things got kind of jostled in shipping. That was the first thing that actually showed. On top, underneath this, I did receive a postcard from Hong Kong Disneyland. So we have Minnie and Mickey, and Goofy is the runner. Goofy's driving. They always let Goofy drive. And then on the back, "Dear Trix, thank you for your continued support. I hope you love the items I've selected for you this month. Have a magical day, Olivia." I love this so far, so you're off to a great start. So next up, I have a water bottle featuring the one and only, the greatest, Donald Duck. I like the size of this water bottle. Like, it's petite enough that I could just slip it in my bag. So like, side note, I find that with a lot of water bottles in general, they're way too big for the bag that I currently have. So this one will be a great size. And it says, "I feel good today. Have fun." So a tack memo. Let me actually take this out of the packaging. I always do that in unboxings. I show it in the packaging and then it's like super reflecting with like the camera and the glare and all that. So like, I don't know why I do that. I guess I want to show you that it came in outer packaging. So anyway, tack memo featuring the Toy Story gang. We have Woody, Buzz, and then the green men, the little green alien men. And it says, I'm not exactly sure if you can make that out. It's very light, but it says, "Cool adventure, welcome to the wildest." And to go with the tack memo, some of these popped off in shipping, but that's okay. We have a set of pins. Let's see, so this is what they came on. They kind of popped off. I'll just show you these. So we have like these ride-specific pins. We have Mystic Manor with Donald and Daisy. Main Street USA with Mickey and Minnie. They look like they're shopping. Love this color, by the way. Grizzly Gulch, which in the comments of my last Magical Pick Me Up unboxing, one of my viewers told me that that was their version of our Frontierland here in the States, and thank you so much for that comment about all of those different locations on my mug. Greatly appreciate that. So here we have Pluto, Goofy, and Chip 'n Dale. They're so cute. I love Chip 'n Dale so much. It's a Small World which also features Pluto and Donald. And if you can see, Donald is annoyed at Pluto. I mean, Donald's annoyed, period, a lot of times, but he's annoyed because it looks like he's trying to take away his ice cream. And then finally, we have Sleeping Beauty Castle with Mickey and Minnie. These are so cute. I wonder, are they, watch, I'll use the tech memo. Are these the actual colors of the pins? Oh no, unfortunately they're not. They're just all blue ink, but that's okay. We'll definitely get use out of them. We'll definitely use these. They're just so adorable. All right, so that is it for this month's Magical Pick Me Up. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this month's box. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.